Now we're in our front yard where the sun is. So now we have all the things that love to be in sun. Boy, now talk about bees. This bee balm is literally crawling with bees. Wow. We had a slope here that was hard to mow and it was kind of a pain. So we decided we would make a terrace garden. We also found out later on it was really a benefit because all these flowers attract pollinators for our peas and our cucumbers and our green beans and tomatoes and everything in the garden. I think we get better production out of our plants, which is nice because our vegetable garden is very small. I would say if you have an inclination, plant a garden. It doesn't make any difference if it's perfect or if it's not perfect. All gardens are great.